Hello guys, I hope you're doing very well. Let me show you my results with my automated trading strategy, my personal automated trading strategy. These are the results of my automated trading strategy. As you can see here, over $100,000 for the past year. We have an entire year here of data, right? From June the 1st, 2020 all the way to June the 1st, 2021, right? So a pandemic year there, but I've been able to make a lot of money here. So here are my results: over $100,000 total net profit, and a profit factor. Look at this, 4.66 profit factor. Almost impossible to hear about this profit factor for an automated trading strategy, and a pretty nice max drawdown. Every trading strategy, whether it is a manual trading strategy or an automated trading strategy, every trading strategy has a max drawdown. What is the secret? The secret is to make this drawdown way lower than the total net profit. So as you can see, the total net profit is over 10 times the max drawdown. That means that we're risking a little bit below $10,000 to make over $100,000. So that sounds like a great business to me. And that's what you should look at. What's the potential profit you can make comparable to the max drawdown, or the potential maximum loss you could have, right? That's the max drawdown. And as you can see, this is a great trading strategy with great results. So if you're interested in my personal trading strategy, this one that I made over $100,000 with for a year, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. I'm going to leave you a link in the description of this video, and you can go ahead and click on that link, and I'm going to be giving you more information for this trading strategy. You know, a similar trading strategy would cost you over $3,000 in the market, but that's not my plan. My plan is to help people out, so I'm going to be giving it for a pretty affordable price. So feel free to contact me. Don't be afraid to contact me. I'm going to be really happy to give you all the information you need in order for you to get this trading strategy if you're interested, right? I have a mentoring program with this trading strategy, so I'll be happy to have you in my mentoring program. So feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or via email. I'm going to be giving you the email below in the description of this video, so feel free to contact me. Let me introduce myself. My name is David Acosta. I've been a trader for over 4 years now. I've been involved in the trading industry for more than 6 years, but 4 years ago I started to be a full-time trader with a trading strategy, basically an automated trading strategy. In this video, I'm going to teach you a trading strategy that has been out there for many years now, but I've been able to automate it myself, and I want to share it with you. I want to share it with the community, right? Because this strategy helped me a lot in the beginning, but it's a manual strategy, right? The thing is that I have automated that, and I want to share it with you. Let me clarify this. It is a semi-automated trading strategy that I'm going to share with you for free, okay? So what does it mean that it is a semi-automated trading strategy? Well, it means that you have to mix it up with price action, okay? The trading strategy triggers automatically, but you will need to enable it according to the price action, all right? And I'm going to teach you that. Let me encourage you to subscribe and like my video. Subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share with you some crazy concepts about trading in this channel. So subscribe to my channel and you're going to learn a lot of things that you've never heard of in the YouTube platform or in any other academy. So let me encourage you to subscribe and comment down here if you like this video, or if you have any questions or any other kind of comments that you'd like to share with me. Feel free to leave it below. Let me be clear with you. I'm talking about two trading strategies here. I have my personal trading strategy. That is the one that I showed you the results with, right? That I made over $100,000. And the other version is the basic version of the trading strategy. That is the one that I'm going to give you for free, and the one that I'm going to explain you here, right? So let me be clear with you that there are two trading strategies that I'm going to show you in this video. The one that I showed you before, right, my personal trading strategy, and the other one that is the free version, that is a basic version of the trading strategy. Okay, so that's the difference between the two trading strategies that I'm showing you in this video. Let's now come over here to the chart to explain to you the rules of this trading strategy. All right, basically these are very simple rules. This trading strategy is based on three basic indicators. We have here the linear regression line of 89 periods. Okay, we have here the Kellner channel EMA. Okay, this is a modified version of the standard Kellner channel. The standard Kellner channel is based on an SMA. This is based on an EMA. Okay, of 52 periods, right, and an offset of 3.5. It's not really important, the offset, but I use a 3.5 offset. Okay, and we have here the MACD lines. I'm gonna leave in the description the link where you can download the MACD lines and the Kellner channel EMA indicator, so that you can download it and import it to your platform. Okay, the linear regression is the standard regression that comes with NinjaTrader. So we have these three indicators. Now we have three simple and basic rules. Let me first clarify the rules for the short trades. Okay, the first rule is that we're gonna take the trades one tick below the midband. This is the midband. Okay, we're gonna take one tick below the midband. So if the midband is over here at 41.20.75, we're gonna take the trade over here at 41.20.50. Okay, and we enter the trade over in here. That's the first rule for the shorts. Now the second rule is that we should have an angle in the linear regression line. Okay, an angle in our favor, of course. In this case, the linear regression line is pointing down. Okay, so that's the other rule. The second rule is that one. Okay, we have an angle in our favor. Now the third rule is that we should have the MACD below zero. Okay, below zero for shorts. Okay, so as you can see here, we are below the midband, so we take the trade one tick below. In the MACD, we are below the zero line, which is this white line, and we have an angle in our favor in the linear regression line. So we go and take this trade over here, right? We're gonna place our profit target at 8 ticks and our stop loss at 5 ticks. That's how this trading strategy works. I use another different method to calculate the profit target and the stop loss, and I'm gonna teach you that in the other videos that I'm gonna be sharing with you. Now for longs is just the opposite. Let me find an example over here. So we have an example here for longs. Okay, the first rule is we're going to take the trade one tick above the midband here. The other rule is that we're going to look at the angle of the linear regression line. In this case is pointing up, right? So it's great, we have that angle in our favor. And third rule is that we have the MACD above the zero line here. So we take this trade over right over here. Okay, so those are the set of rules. Those are basic rules that this trading strategy uses. Now let me show you another important thing. I've developed an indicator that will help you identify the overall trend of the market, right? I call it the impulse change indicator, and this one that we have over here, right? It uses these 52 periods of the Kellner channel EMA and 89 periods for the linear regression line. Okay, so we hit apply. Okay, and as you can see, it identifies the trends. It is a set of rules that they're not really important. Just use it to filter some trades. Okay, now let's right click here in our charts, and we're gonna go over to strategies. This is the name of the strategy, DTA strategy indicators, techno indicators. Okay, and these are the default settings, right? 52, 89. You can change the start time and finishing time here over here. This trading strategy uses a profit target of 8 and a stop loss of 5. You can enable longs or short over here. You can disable them as well. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to use that in a minute. We're going to enable over here the strategy, and we're going to hit apply. So as you can see, this was one of the trades. over here, and the other one was here. It was a stop loss, and the trend changes, and we take these trades over here. Now, what is the idea with this trading strategy? Okay, the idea is that you mix it up with price action. My personal trading strategy is a fully automated trading strategy that doesn't need to be mixed with price action. I'm going to teach you my concepts, the concepts that I use for this automated trading strategy, right? But this semi-automated trading strategy, you should mix it up with price action. All right, so when you see that the market is approaching a support or resistance level, you may be a little bit cautious in those cases. So in those cases, you should disable the strategy. How do you do that? Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to shrink the chart like this, okay? The second thing you're going to do is you're going to shrink this control center window as well. So we have it here, we have the chart over here, and we have the control center window over in here. Now, what's the point? Let me disable this thing. Now, the idea is you're going to go over here, you're going to go to strategies, you're going to click here, and you're going to enable the longs, just the longs, and then you're going to enable the strategy. Now, the second thing you're going to do is you're going to click there again, right? And it's going to appear the second strategy here, and you're going to enable only the shorts, and you're going to enable the strategy. Now, we have two strategies over here in the control center. Okay, now what's the idea? The idea is that when you see, for example, the market over in here had this important level, right? And we have here a support level here, right? And when you see the market broke over here, this level, you can think that, for example, we're in a downtrend, right? And you see the market broke this very strongly, okay? Now, in those cases, you would want to enable only shorts, okay? So in that case, we will disable the longs. That is this one, okay? As you can see, the long trades disappear. Look at here. The long trades disappear when I hit here. So when the market broke this level, for example, we will go ahead and enable only shorts case. In that case, we had a winner trade over here, right? And you can, analyze the market as you want and disable and enable longs and shorts as you want. Okay, it's just that simple. So that is why this trading strategy is a semi-automated trading strategy, because you should mix it up with price action. Okay, now let me go again over to the results of my personal trading strategy. So you have here the trading strategy, my personal trading strategy. This is a fully automated trading strategy, and these are some of the trades that this trading strategy has done, and it's based on statistical principles, like I said before, that I'm going to teach you here in this channel. So again, subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below if you have any questions or anything, because I'm going to be sharing with you some really good concepts. Are mind-blowing. I can guarantee you that you won't find these concepts in any other channel or in any other trading academy out there. I guarantee you that. I'm gonna teach you some really crazy stuff that are gonna be really helpful for your process and your trading. So I would like to invite you to click the subscribe button and enable the notifications, so that you know when I will upload the following videos that I'm going to be sharing with you. So yeah, let me show you the results. So yep, here we have the results like I showed you before. Over $100,000, the max drawdown a little bit below $10,000, and a great profit factor 4.66. I usually have the profit factor around 4, but this year was actually better than the usual performance of the trading strategy, right? It's about 4, so it's actually really good. Like I said before, it's almost impossible to find an automated trading strategy with this great profit factor. Well, actually, it's almost impossible to find a profitable trading strategy with a profit factor of 4, right? It doesn't matter if it's a manual trading strategy or if it's an automated trading strategy. So there it is. These are the results of my trading strategy. So let me remind you that if you're interested in my trading strategy, my personal trading strategy, you can contact me via WhatsApp. I'm going to be leaving you a link in the description of this video. So go ahead and click on that link and contact me via WhatsApp. And I'm going to be giving you more information for you to get this trading strategy. Or you can contact me via email as well. So subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below. If you want to get the basic version of the trading strategy, the one that is semi-automated, I will leave the link below. So go ahead and click in that link, and the only thing you need is your name and your email, and you'll be able to download the semi-automated trading strategy. So this is all for this video, guys. I really appreciate your time, and I really appreciate that you are watching this video. I'm just starting this channel because I want to share all the concepts, right? Why I'm sharing this with you, because I would have liked that someone helped me like this when I started trading. All right, I'm just starting this channel because I want to help people out. Okay, consider subscribing to my channel, and I really appreciate your support. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new. I really appreciate your time, and see you in the next video.